Okay, so we just added some green peas to our mac and cheese. We are going to make a healthy Kraft mac and cheese. I'm gonna go ahead and add some more cheese. So this came with the Kraft mac and cheese boxes. So adding that in there. We're gonna go ahead and add a little bit of minced garlic. Just kind of bring this around. Just a little bit. Up next, Dijon mustard. This is gonna add yummy flavor. I'm just gonna drizzle on top of this Velveeta cheese. Some butter slices. So when you make Kraft mac and cheese, you usually add butter anyway, and milk. So we're just gonna put some butter in there. Just spread it around. All right, now we're gonna pour a little milk. So I'm actually using almond milk, but you can use regular milk if you prefer that. Just pouring some in there. All right, I am going to start mixing this around. Just kind of getting that milk mixed in. Mixing all the ingredients together. Remember, those mac and cheese noodles are in there. Right underneath all these yummy peas. So kids love Kraft mac and cheese, right? What kid doesn't? But we're gonna spice it up with a little vegetable. And you can pick any vegetable. You can even leave the vegetable out if you want to. But I always try to find a way to sneak in vegetables to my kids' meals. All right, I'm gonna come in and I'm gonna slice up this Velveeta cheese. 6 slices is fine, but we're gonna spread it around as well. We want it to melt evenly throughout this dish so that it's all very, very cheesy. All right, so let's go ahead and spread these out.
Ooh, this looks so yummy.
It is gonna be delicious.
I wish my mom served me Kraft like this.
Right?
I mean, like gourmet.
You're getting a little vegetable in there too, and extra cheese. All right, coming in with about 2 cups of water. We're gonna just spread it around here.
You should be on Gordon Ramsay's cooking show. You would be amazing.
You think so?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I would love it. I would bring all my mom hacks to his show. All right, coming in to mix it up some more. Just gonna move this all around. I mean, I understand that it probably doesn't look super appetizing yet, but just wait until you see the end result. It is gonna be so cheesy and delicious. So we're just gonna mix it around, get all that water mixed in, all the cheese, the powdered cheese, the Velveeta cheese. All right, last but not least, I do have one more ingredient. We are gonna go ahead and take some, that's right, more cheese, shredded cheese this time, right on top. And this one, we're just gonna leave on top. We're not gonna mix it in just yet. Delish. All right, this is gonna go in the oven now, about 350 degrees, give or take 20-30 minutes. All right, just took this out of the oven. We're gonna go ahead and give it a stir. Ooh. All right, let's see. Oh my gosh, look at all this cheese.
Oof.
Wow, so cheesy and delicious.
This is looking so good. I cannot wait until it's done.
Yep, just needs a little bit more time for the noodles, but looking fabulous. All right, we are gonna put this back in just a little bit longer and then check it again. All right, it is looking like it's done. Just pulled it out of the oven. Now we are gonna go ahead and stir it up here.
Oh, wow.
Whoa, look at all that cheese. That delicious, cheese, yum. It looks so good, you guys. Look at all these mac noodles and peas. So just sneaking in the veggie to a child favorite.
This is way healthier.
It's much better than just plain old mac and cheese, right? Okay, we need to try this. I'm gonna go ahead and get my bowl and scoop some of this deliciousness right inside. Woo! Look at that.
Yum.
That looks so good. One more scoop. So cheesy. All right. Let's try it. It's gonna be hot. Whoa. That is definitely cheesy goodness. I'm not a huge pea fan, but I'll do it for my kids.